First, I am preparing the pest control treatment for my potato crop. Today I am using MACT for the first pest control application after planting the potatoes. Here I am adding the MACT treatment into the tank and mixing it properly with water. You can see the product and its name MACT in the video. Some of the young potato leaves have already been damaged by insects, so this treatment is being applied to help control the pest activity. After mixing the treatment in the tank, it will be delivered to the potato field through the irrigation system. Now let's see how the treatment is being delivered through the center pivot irrigation system. Now the treatment is moving through the center pivot along with the irrigation water. The water is being distributed across the potato field, helping deliver the treatment to the crop. This is the first pest control application after planting, and I will continue monitoring the plants as they grow. As the center pivot continues to move, the treated water is being distributed across the field. At this stage, the potato plants are still young, so regular care and proper field management are very important. I will keep checking the leaves and watching for any signs of insect activity or further damage. Good irrigation and timely crop protection can help the plants continue their growth. For now, the treatment is being applied through the irrigation system, and the field is receiving both water and crop protection. Let's see how these young potato plants grow in the coming days.